Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can use Canva on your desktop, which means how you guys can download and use Canva on your PC. Now before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. So I've already downloaded Canva on my PC, so I'm going to open it. And for those people who do not know how to download Canva, we have made a video on that topic on our channel. You can watch that video, alright? After you click on it, your Canva will open up like this. Now what you want to do is continue in browser. And once you do that, Canva is going to be opened on your browser just like this. Wait for some time until Canva loads up. And click on yes, continue to Canva app once it takes you to your browser. Just like this, click on open. And your Canva app will open up like this. Once you do that, Canva will log you into your account. Now once you're in your account in Canva, it's going to open up and then you can start using it. So I will show you all the basics of Canva. So once Canva opens up, what you want to do is at the top you can see this option called create a design. You want to click on create a design and it's going to show you all these options. Now from all these options you can choose whichever design you want to create. So if you want to go for Instagram story, you can do that. For presentation you can do that. For whiteboard you can do that. So let's say I'm going to go for a presentation, alright? But you can choose whichever you want. I'm going to choose presentation. Once you do that, a presentation tab over here is going to open up just like this, as you guys can see it. So mine's taking a bit of time, so let's make it load first. Now once it's loaded over here, you can start using it. Like you can even go on text and add text over here, or you can go on brand hub uploads, and like you can use this entire tool over here to create whatever kind of presentation you want over here. Alright, so let's say I want to add text. I can click on text, click on add a text box, and a text box will be added. Now I can write anything over here, scribe like this. And if you want to draw something, you can go on draw, and you can also draw something over here. Or if you want to go on elements, there are tons of elements you can use, lines, graph, anything like this. Now there are tons of tools on Canva, but like the basics are the same. You can add text, you can add design, like you can add audio over here as well. If you go to audio and choose audio like this, as you guys can see, audio has been added. And if you go on designs, it's going to show you multiple designs over here. You can go on layouts, on styles as well. You guys can see there's tons of options. You can play around with these options to create whatever kind of design you want. Alright, so that's how you guys can use Canva on your desktop. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe. Bye bye.